Neuroplasticity, frequently termed brain plasticity, results from the continuous changes within an adult brain. This biological phenomenon refers to the ability of our neurons, or brain cells, to adapt flexibly and incessantly in response to a wide range of stimuli. Neuroplasticity holds particular importance in the realm of skill acquisition, often emerging as the cornerstone of mastering novel tasks and overcoming cognitive or physical challenges by retraining the brain. Historically, early brain researchers primarily held the view that the brain's plasticity only remained active during childhood, ceasing upon reaching adulthood. However, research in the 1960s and 70s, led by notable neuroscientist Dr. Michael Merzenich, began to reject this belief, demonstrating that the adult brain was entirely capable of profound change and reorganization. This pioneering work sparked a revolution in neuroscientific concepts, the effects of which still reverberate today. In the context of skill acquisition, neuroplasticity involves the reshaping and reorganizing of the brain's structures to cope with new knowledge and skills effectively. When we engage in a new task or learn a new skill, the process triggers certain areas of our brain. With repeated practice, the neural pathways involved with that task strengthen and become more efficient, a concept encapsulated in the phrase, "Neurons that fire together, wire together." This idea carries great significance, as it underscores the role of practice in mastering a skill. The frequently employed phrase, "practice makes perfect," now holds a neuroscientific basis. The more we perform a task, the stronger and more efficient the neural connections become, facilitating better proficiency at the explicit skill. Moreover, neuroplasticity's role is not limited to the acquisition of novel skills. It consistently proves instrumental in the rehabilitation of stroke patients or individuals with brain damage. Neurorehabilitation leverages neuroplasticity to help patients regain lost abilities, an invaluable application of the concept. The positive influence of neuroplasticity, however, is not without potential negatives. While the brain's ability to adapt is generally beneficial, it can sometimes lead to detrimental consequences. In the presence of prolonged stress or addiction, neuroplasticity can contribute to the hardwiring of unhealthy responses. For example, in the case of drug addiction, repeated drug use can change the brain's neural circuits, leading to increased craving and drug-seeking behaviors. Notably, neuroplasticity plays a significant role in the use-it-or-lose-it phenomenon. The brain typically prunes away unused neural connections while strengthening those frequently in use. This implies that even after acquiring a skill, continuous practice is essential to maintain the efficiency of relevant neural pathways. Despite potential drawbacks, the concept of neuroplasticity is largely regarded as a remarkable testament to the brain's adaptability and resilience. It provides the neuroscientific framework supporting lifelong learning and reinforces the idea that one is never too old to acquire a fresh skill or knowledge. By sculpting neural circuits, neuroplasticity gives the brain unrivaled flexibility, enabling the acquisition of diverse abilities, from learning a new language to adapting to changing environments. Its rich history and wide-ranging implications underscore human potential, reinforcing the belief that with consistent practice and time, anyone can master new skills. However, as we also glean from neuroplasticity's potentially harmful effects, it is crucial to be mindful of the activities and habits with which we engage regularly. As we continue to learn and shape our brains, we must parse through our actions and filter those encouraging positive neuroplastic changes, thereby championing cognitive health and personal growth.